What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover or undelete photos from your iPhone or iPad. So for example, if we open camera, took a couple pictures and then going through the pictures and then deleting them. That's my camera that I use. And then we realize that we just delete the picture that we don't want it to delete. So here's what we need to do. We need to go back home and then we need to click on photos. And once we see this, most likely it's going to be selected on photos right here. Now we need to switch to albums. Once we click on albums, we're going to see camera roll and recently deleted. Once we click on recently deleted, we're going to see every picture that we just deleted. So if the picture was recently deleted, we can still recover. And then we need to choose a picture that we're going to recover. So let's say I'm going to press on this one, and then I'm going to press on recover at the bottom right, and then recover photo. And then let's do one more, recover photo. If we go back, we can go back to camera and then click on photos. And now you can see this is the pictures that I deleted and I was able to successfully recover them. If this video was helpful to you, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.